What do you got there, Will?
Got a new iPhone 11.
Wow, that looks nice. What's in the box? Holy crap, that's a brand new one, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
That is a brand new one. Holy moly.
Look at that.
Beautiful. Are you going to peel that film? Oh, you guys heard that. That's incredible. How's it feel in your hand? Look at those cameras.
Crazy.
That's awesome, Will.
Thank you.
Thanks for sharing that video with us.
Yeah.
And you did very cool, guys. So in the box, we got a charging cable right here. Does that cable do anything besides charge?
I doubt it.
Okay, well that's perfect. Anything else in there? Got a
Apple logo.
got the Apple sticker and the key pusher to pop the SIM card out. Let me see the Apple sticker a minute.
You betcha.
Oh, boom. Looking good. And you know them SIM card little sticky things you got there, those are important. So that's nice. Guys, thanks for checking out the iPhone 11 unboxing. Bye-bye.